So let's review these exit ticket problems here. This first one, you're given it, we have an isosceles trapezoid. So you can see right there. And I can see that by the markings too. I see that KN and LM are congruent in measurement. And I can see that KL and NM are marked as being parallel. So this is a trapezoid, it's an isosceles trapezoid. So from the rules that we learned about today, I know that angle 3 is congruent to angle N, which means that the measurement of angle 3 is going to be 47 degrees. Now that I know it's 47 degrees, now there's a couple things I could do at this point. You know, I could total up everything, because I know that these two, K and L, I know like angle K is going to be congruent to angle L. So I do know that this is true. And I could do what I showed in the example in the lesson, where I added all the angles up in total 360. But another thing I could also keep in mind is that angle N and angle K should be supplementary. I mean, and that's true for any trapezoid because these are parallel sides, KL and NM, and if I look at them back to like kind of you know, topic dealing with Unit 4, angle N and K would be or angle N and 1, whichever way you want to look at it, are same side interior angles between those two parallel segments in the transversal NK. So I do know that the measurement of angle K is going to be 180 degrees minus 47 degrees, which is 133 degrees. And because I know angle L is congruent to it, or, you know, so no, measure of angle 1, which is K, and the measurement of angle 2, which is L, are both 133 degrees. For the next one, we have a kite. And this one here, as going back to the example we had just done prior to this exit ticket, in a kite, I do know that I have at least one pair of congruent opposite angles. And I can clearly see that the two opposite angles I'm given are not them. So this one here, I would say, well, I have the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 plus 44 plus 80 equaling 360 degrees. However, the measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2 are the same thing, so I can say I have 2 times the measurement of angle 1, say, plus 124 degrees equals 360 degrees. Measurement of angle 1 would equal 236 degrees. I believe I did my math right. Let me double check to be sure. It's early morning for me because I record this, so yep, I'm right. And that's 2 times the measure of angle 1. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 and get that the measure of angle 1 is 118 degrees, which means that the measurement of angle 2 is also 118 degrees. So there are your answers. I have these two for that. I have the measurement of angle 1 in here being 133 degrees, the measurement of angle 2 for this one being also 133 degrees, and the measurement of angle 3 equaling 47 degrees. So these are the solutions. If you have any further questions, please contact me or your teacher. Until I see you in a live lesson or I talk to you on the phone, have a good day, everybody.